Welcome to How to Add Card Sorting in Easygenerator. To add card sorting, drag the layout and drop it into place. This interactive allows you to create categories and related cards. For example, you want your learners to categorize various car features, whether it's primarily for safety or comfort. So under the safety category, let's put airbags. You can choose to add cards as texts or images. I'll add a text card with adaptive cruise control. Then add leather upholstery and panoramic sunroof under the comfort category. I'll use an image for panoramic sunroof. You can also add more categories as you need. So, by adding card sorting to your course, your learners will drag and drop each card into its correct category, thereby making their learning an interactive and immersive experience.